This arcade that I brought you to is Cow Play Cow Move. 我没有讲坏话，我没有讲坏话。Hi, I'm Zoel.
Hi, I'm Papa Chong.
你知道现在年轻人喜欢做什么吗？
他们喜欢玩 game 哦，玩那种抓东西的。
他讲中了，所以我们现在过去。So we are going to try for the small one.
Okay, put in one. Oh, okay.
可以。
Hey, never give up. Try again.
要玩就玩大的，大的。
给我很失败的感觉。
没有，可是等下你抓到的时候是有成就感。
有成就感。
对。
你猜这个？怎么摇啊这样？
因为他们讲有时候要摇，等下它会比较 higher pressure。
你再抓一次给我看。Yes. 骗人的。Never give up. Try again.
1 hour later.
加油！
这个 get 到他的景象了。
帮他们塞，帮他们塞。
他骗了我1次、2次、又3次。Never give up. Try again.
你要不要 try 这个先？因为刚刚你一直在那边看着这个。
没有玩过。
The point of this is to use the hand and push the thing down here. 你 aim 那个500的哦，100的。啊！ Can try this.
Jackpot.
Yeah, a ball will drop. Must drop at the jackpot. Then you'll get 840 tickets.
We try one.
Oh, 30. Okay, 我们现在去玩那个猫的。This one, you need to shoot the ball into the basket. The more ball you hit, the more ticket we will get.
Hit here.
Yeah. 爸爸超很认真。哦，jackpot 了。
哦，你们真的是so lucky。
You coming out?
To count your tickets, right? You put this one, put in. Do you think we can change the camera?
Maybe can get a camera.
Camera is 158,000.
Oh, 14,000, 4,000.
全部东西好贵。
This is my price for $25. This is sticker and some candy. Just enough for one mouthful.
Which game do you like the most?
I like the one that the ball keep hitting, then you can have a good heart. It has been a good day. We have something to try and something to pray. That's how we call it a day. Bye-bye.